All right, sir. So let me making the host, right? You can make me the co-host if you want.
Okay,
Okay.
just a minute.
So still a couple of guys are going to be join. Ashok Mehta, you joined with the two device audio issue with the laptop.
No, actually, there was a issue in laptop, so I disconnected there.
No problem, no
And
problem.
again,
You can stay. I was thinking two people. So if you're the same, right? Audio issue, you can just fine. You can stay there. All right, good. Hi, Debasis. How are you today? Hey, Debasis. You able to hear me?
Hi, yes, sir.
Good. Welcome to the class, right? And everyone. And let's start. Manas sir. Now,
Yes. Okay, let me
so
share my screen. Just a minute. Guys, once my screen will be visible, please let me know.
Yes, visible.
Okay. So guys, last time what we did, anyone can tell me?
9K architecture.
9K hardware description. Okay. So today we will do about the 2K. Just a minute. Oh, my pen is not-
Manas sir, before the 2K, can you tell the I have one question. How to check the which soup is active at the moment?
What?
How to check? We have a two soup in the 9K, and if we want to see like a which soup is active, because one is active or standby, there is a some in the soup 1 and soup 2. So how we can check the which soup is active at the moment?
Means how it is configured or how your means what you are asking?
How we can check like which soup is
Okay.
active?
Okay, I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay, just let me tell something first, and I will go to this one. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, before coming to the part, could you please let me know what is the 2K? Anyone? Any idea about the hardware part?
It is the fax.
No, but why you are using this one? What is the meaning of fax?
For extending the connections.
For extending the connection.
Okay, and for extending the connection means you are telling for the
Top of rack.
for the port. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Port extender. Okay, but why it is coming? Why it is coming? It's the port extender. But if I will connect another manageable switch, suppose, let me tell you one thing. This is my cassette, means storage devices are there. Okay. Now, suppose this is the UR. Any idea about the UR and a Pro?
Yeah.
What is that?
End of rack.
No, what does that meaning? What is this switch? End of Pro switch. Any idea, anyone?
Which are connected to servers.
No. If I suppose this is my DC, okay, multiple devices are connected. If I want to go to the outside through the end of Pro device, I can connect to the outside. Means this is maybe the 9K, maybe the 7K, maybe the 5K, whatever you are using as per your budget. Now my question is that simple question. If I will connect here to here, same thing from here to here, here to here. What is the problem you are seeing here? From here I will go to the 2K. Why we need the 2K? If directly from the end of Pro switch, if I will connect all these devices, maybe these are the storage, maybe these are some blade. So how I can, what is the problem with this one? Image is in front of you. This is scenario 1. It's in front of you. Easy answer. If I have a lot of, suppose for an example, this is storage device, this is the cassette, this is the cassette, these are all cassette. Okay. Suppose I will connect everything to this device. First of all, the cable management is very bad. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cable management is very bad. It is a nightmare for a network engineer who is supporting, means who is on the DC, who is managing the DC. For him, it is a nightmare because a lot of cables are there. Now, second thing, I don't have a lot of ports on the end of raw switch, because for this device, these ports I will utilize for, means for the best purpose. I cannot provide the connection to the small cassette, to the small blade server, to the small storage device. So I cannot connect like this. First of all, cable management is very bad. Second thing, this part is very bad, means I don't have so much port so that I cannot connect a lot of device. This is the scenario one. This is the issue. Now let me draw one more diagram for you. Suppose now any engineer will come, he put a end of row device here. Okay, this is the end of row device. Then who is telling so? I will go to that, but when I will open this, because I need to do all the command today, there I will show you.
No,
Usually-
sorry, you just
Okay.
continue. Actually, I'm
Yes,
just
yes,
skipping from it
yes,
because
yes,
he asked us,
yes,
right? So
yes.
just to add,
Yes.
we have to run the command, right? And that based on that, you're going to say one soup is going to be active and one is going to be HA standby. So it is not going to be selected as per the priority you have to set. Whatever soup is going to boot first, it is going to become
Yes.
active, and second is going to be standby. Just adding, I just want to put in chat, so you can
Yes,
continue.
yes,
Okay?
yes.
Later you can come.
So I will show them the show system redundancy status command is exact command. When I will log into the switch, I will show them. Okay. Now my second point is this one. Now I have connected this one. Same thing. Server are there. Now one of engineer will come. Okay, I will manage this device. So what he did, he put a switch here, manageable switch. This is the EOR, this is the TOR, top of rack. Now what will happen? Now he is connecting here, here, here. Same thing. This one, this one, this one. Now the cable management is good. Now from this, you will take a uplink through this,
Hey,
yes, to this one.
hey,
Yes, tell me. Okay. Now he's taking from this one, he's connecting. This is the top of rack switch and this is the manageable switch. Okay, manageable switch. I can log into the switch. Now guys, what is the issue? What is the problem? Cable management it's quite good right now, but another issue arises.
Cost effective high.
Yes,
because we
cost.
have-
Yes, you are right. Cost effective is high. Second one. One more thing. Anyone, any idea from the diagram? Any logic, any IQ?
What?
Okay. Okay. My question is to you.
You use
Hmm.
more space in the rack.
No, but for that also I need to put a 2K. Space is not the appropriate answer.
Yeah.
Okay, but the one which you told, this is the cost effective, you are right. Okay, cost effective. But one more major thing, if I want to configure this port, for an example, I want to configure this port, what I need to do? Or if I want to configure this port, because for this I have a separate configuration, for this I have a separate configuration, for this I have a separate configuration. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So what is the problem with this type of scenario too? What I need to do every time, suppose for a very small configuration here, suppose for an access port configuration, what I need to do? I need to log in into this switch. I need to configure this port. I need to log in into this switch. I need to configure this port. I need to log in into this switch. I need to configure this port. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, right.
Yes. So to overcome this, what Cisco did, it create a switch that is known as the 2K. That is also pure top of rack. Now what will happen? End of row switch is nothing, your high-end switch, which is connecting to the outside. Now what will happen? Okay. 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 This is scenario 3. Now what you are able to see here, the cable management is good or it's too messy? Cable management part, it's good.
Yes, it's good.
Now for an example, I need to configure this port. I need to configure this port. I need to configure this port. Same thing here, 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 here. Okay. Multiple switches are there. And for an example, I am giving only 3. So what you need to do? This is a dumb switch. This is a completely dumb switch.
Dumb switch.
I cannot log in into this switch. This is a completely dumb switch. What is the meaning of dumb switch?
Doesn't have its own OS.
Does not have any OS. I cannot log in into the switch directly. Okay.
Not a brain. The switch.
Yes, it has not anything. It will completely depend on my parent, means parent switch. Which is the parent switch? Whatever it is connected here. Maybe 5K you are connecting, 7K, 9K. My complete focus will be 9K because when I will do the fax fabric configuration, I will do through the 9K. Okay. So on this condition, I don't need to log in into this switch continuously. Directly, I will log into this switch, whatever, suppose this is the 9K. I can see this switch. I can see this switch through the fax. What is the basic configuration command? I will show you today. Then in the actual, when I will do the 9K configuration, then I will do the real configuration. But then that time through this switch, I can directly see this port. I can configure this port. I don't need to log in into this switch repeatedly.
So
Here,
we can call as it is like a hub.
Hub we can call this one, but what hub actually doing?
But hub is forwarding like a
It's forwarding
broadcasting.
it will broadcast, but it's not like that.
Yeah, okay.
But it's working principally can means it's similar to the hub, but it's does not the broadcast means criteria. Okay. But okay, now my first point, my cable management part is good. I am good with this one. Now I don't need to log in into this switch repeatedly. I can connect through this switch, my end of row switch, whatever is the 5K, 7K, 9K, and I will configure this one. My every problem is solved here. This is the reason we are using the 2K. Instead of 2K, I also can use the manageable switch. But if I will use the manageable switch, then every time I need to connect to my manageable switch. This is the main reason. This is the scenario 1, scenario 2, and in the scenario 3, my everything has been resolved. Now I can easily use the 2K through 9K or 5K or 7K. Till now it's clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Everyone except Amit, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Clear. Actually, I have, hello.
Yes. Go ahead, Ashok.
Hello.
Yes. Ashok, go ahead.
Sir, actually, what is dumb switch and why it is called dumb switch? Sir, could you explain a little bit, sir?
Because this switch does not have anything. It does not have the own iOS. Okay, it is directly we can what?
Sir, if do not have iOS, then how it is working?
I will come to this point. Now I will explain how it will be connected. It will take from this one. It has a primary and a secondary.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Primary part and secondary part. If primary will be corrupt, then secondary will be there because secondary will be already in the right mode. Okay, I will come to this part. Why it isn't, but mainly dump means it does not have anything. It does not have anything. It's not, I cannot manage this switch directly. I cannot log in into this switch directly. It does not have the own iOS through which I can operate all the things. This is the reason it is known as the dump switch.
Even don't have iOS. You
Clear?
are saying so. Even don't have iOS.
Yes, because the event dot it will take the iOS from here. iOS upgradation process is there, and there is a discovery process is also there. I will come to this part. How it will do the discovery process, how it will do the iOS upgrade. iOS upgrade minimum 8 minutes in one interview questions. 8 minutes it will take, and they maybe ask you what is the discovery process, what is the discovery protocol. Okay, I will come to this point right now only.
Sir, dump switch like a OBM switch or what?
Okay, thank you.
Sir, we can say dump switch is a OBM switch?
It's a DOM switch, especially it's the 2K switch only for this purpose. 2K 2000 series switch for the Cisco is recommending. Fax Fabric, Fax Extender. We cannot use other switch, only 2K. Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Now let me tell you about the discovery process. It has the primary part and the secondary one. Now what happens? Suppose this is my 9K. Now 2K. Okay, suppose this is connected. Okay, this is my end of row. Now what happened? Now my 2K switch is someone is connected to this one. What is the configuration? I will let you know. Now there is a primary part in the 2K, there is a secondary one. In the primary one, what it did? It stored the on the flash memory, which will be upgraded. Secondary thing is the same thing, but it's in the right mode. If my primary will be failed, it will take over. Upgrade process, how it will do the upgrade process? Through the primary part. Okay. So once my 9K will be connected, it will coordinate with the 9K and it will proceed for the iOS upgradation. First, it will do the iOS part, it will do. Then there is another process that is known as the discovery process. For this iOS part, it's not the exact time. Sometimes it's 8 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes 12, even if sometimes 15 minutes. But if anyone will ask, theoretically, we can tell him, maybe someone asks, what is the time required for this one? On an average, 8 minutes for the iOS part. On an average. But it's not fixed like that. It's only 8 minutes will take. Maybe 9 minutes, maybe 10, maybe 12. Okay. So once this switch will be connected, there is a discovery process is there. How it will find out. And there is a protocol also working, satellite, discovery. These are the theoretical question you will get. Which protocol is working there? Satellite discovery protocol is working there. And there is another process is the satellite registration process. Two things are working here. Registration. First, a registration part will going on. That is through this process is known as the satellite registration process. Once you will connect this fabric means your extended with the 9K, the discovery process will go through this two part. One is the protocol is working on there is the satellite discovery protocol, but the registration process they will connect through the satellite registration process. Okay. Once it will be done, if you will put this command So interface hex fabric. Here you will see some output. Why I am telling these things? In the interview, they will ask you what is to see if my hex fabric is good or not, and what are the outputs. Like in the basic interview CCNA level, they are asking, suppose I am configuring in EIGRP. I will ask you, so interface GI 1/0/1. What are the output you will see here? Minimum 5 to 6 output I needed. What are same things? They will ask you. So interface hex fabric, what will be the output you will see? When you will do the lab, then that time you will see. But minimum things like you have the fax number is here.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Then the fabric port. What is the fabric port? Where it is connected through the 9K. You can see there. Then the fabric state. It's in the active mode. What is this? You can see there. Then what is the uplink? Means your fax uplink. You can see there. I think one more thing. Yes, model is there. 92K model is there. Either it 22 or 23 model is there. Or you can see one more thing. Fax serial number is there. This is the basic thing you need to remember. Okay. And one more interview question I have seen they have asked. This discovery process, this communication is going on with the 9K and 2K. During that, what he did, he will provide an IP for its internal communication. Which IP it is providing? It's 127.15.1.0/24. Can anyone tell me what is this IP? What is this subnet range?
Lubeck.
Okay. What is, and basic question, why it is providing the IP from this network? It's not our communication, it's their communication. This is all about internal process, so we don't need to do anything. I will show you one command I will put, everything will be internal process. They will be going through this process. We don't need to do anything. But why this 9K will provide a segment of this from this series? Why? Any means logical answer from the IQ?
This is the communication in local host only.
No, but yes, but why? Because this IP, this range, we are not using on our internal network. Am I right?
Yes.
Anyone is using in your company 127 range?
No.
What is this? For which purpose we are using this one?
Look back test or local host inside.
Yes, it's for the inside. So no one is using this one for their ranges. So for the internal communication, local communication, what they are doing, 9K will provide an IP. They will ask you, what is the range? Any IP they will provide. IP we cannot tell, but the range we can tell. From this range, he will provide the IP 2K and their internal communication will be going on. This is the complete process. But what is the basic command? Just basic command I will let you know when once do the lab. Anyone knows? Because this is the basic command. Anyone did the fax part in your real life?
I have done the remove like a configuration removal part.
Configuration removal part means not getting you.
I have done the port cleanup on the fax.
Okay, port cleanup you did.
Yeah.
Anyone did the fax configuration? Anyone?
Yeah, attach fax fabric something.
Yes. Right. First, you need to do a fax number. Whatever I told you in this fax, you need to associate a number 100 to 199. So this one you can see here. Whatever the fax you are associating here, you can see here. Now on that interface, whatever is a 9K, 5K, 7K, you are switch. You can go to there. Maybe mainly this will be through the port channel. When we will do the lab, I will show you the port channel. Right now, it's normal configuration I am saying. Suppose this is the uplink interface 1 by 1, it is 1 by 1. Then this is the main command. Switch port mod hex fabric. Devasis, are you able to remember this one?
Yeah.
Yes. Mainly interviewer will expect that you need to tell this command. This is the main command, switch port mod fax fabric. And then you need to tell him what is the associate fax with this one. Whatever is connected to this interface, it is 1 by 1, the dump switch. What is the fax associated with him? Fax associate 100. Once you will log in into this switch, then you can see this port are ETS 100 111. Whatever is the port number, through the fax it will be started. Then you can easily identify that this will be my through the fax fabric. This is the fax extender. Okay. Now one question, guys. Suppose this is a 5K. This is a 7K. Basic IQ question. This is a 2K. This is a 2K. Can I connect? Sorry. Can I connect here to here, here to here? Is it possible?
Yes.
Different switch, same port you can connect without. It is a different, completely different hardware model.
Oh, different model.
You can see this is 5K. This is 7K.
No, I think.
No, it's not.
No.
It's not. It's not possible. These are the very simple basic question they will ask. We cannot, because this is the different hardware. And now, suppose this is the 5K, this is the 5K. Maybe 9K. Now?
Yes.
Yes. Now it's possible. Try to remember, if anyone will ask in the interview, if 2K, I can connect to that different hardware model? No. I can connect to the same model with the BPC? Yes, I can connect. These are the overall part of the 2K switch. Okay. Guys, can we proceed with the command part right now?
Yes.
Okay. Are you comfortable with the basic switching command?
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I wanted to know about the fax. What is fax? Sir? Fax fabric.
This is actually the fabric path. In the Nexus, we'll do the fabric path. Whatever is the complete path, it will be the fabric path. And this fax, this one is the, suppose this one is the fax link. These are the fax switch, fax extender. Means you can, on the non-technical word, you can take, this is a port extender.
Like one port to multiple ports, sir? Like
No. Let me tell you. Suppose this is a switch. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Forget about Nexus. Now this is a 9200 catalyst.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how, suppose this one is the, for an example, 9200 48P 4XA. Okay. Means it's the 48 port switch, PoE switch, 10G4, and this is the advantage. Now, this is 48 port, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 48. Now I need 60 port. There is a requirement is there. Okay. There is a requirement is there. I need 60 ports. What I can do? What your idea right now?
No, we have to put another switch, sir.
You can, you can put another switch.
Yes, sir.
For a separate switch, you can put. One
Yes,
example
sir.
is a separate switch you can put. For the
Yes.
24 port, you can take the uplink here. Okay.
Yes.
Then some of the user or whatever is the device, you can connect here. Okay. One another point is there. If you want, you can put the two switch in a stack mode also. Am I right? So that your port will be increased. But in my Nexus, what I can do? There is a switch. This is 2K, 2000. Dumb switch. Okay. Directly I cannot log in into the switch, but here there are multiple ports. 24, 48 ports are there. If I will connect this 2000 to my 9K, suppose in my 9K I have 64 port. For an example, I need 70 ports or 75 ports. What I need to do? If I will bring another 95 switch, then it will cost me around 50 lakhs to 70 lakhs, depending on my license and my support. Okay. I don't have so much budget. For this port, I will buy another 9500. I don't have so much budget. Even if your client will deny. Okay. So on the time, I have a solution that this is a low cost switch, 2000 switch. Okay. Here I can connect from the 9K to 2K, and here you have 24 ports, suppose 48 port. From this 9K, I did some configuration. I have switch port mod fax fabric. I did. Okay. I will do the level so then that time. So what you will see, once you will go to the 9K switch, once you will log in into the 9K switch, then that time you can see this switch port number also, extra 48 port or 24 port. I don't need to log in into this switch, even if I cannot log in from this switch, because I have connected this switch. I did some very basic configuration. Then in this 9K, okay, you will see these ports. Then what is the benefit? Within the very low cost, I have increased my port on the 9K. I don't need to spend 50 lakhs, 70 lakhs on that time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I got it, sir. I got it.
Got it? Okay,
And
thank you.
it is only achieved with 2K, sir.
2K,
Isn't
2K,
it,
2K.
sir?
Yes, 2K. There is
Okay.
2200, 2300. Functional is different. When I will do this one, I will tell you what is the 2200, what is the 2300. Mainly these two we are using. Okay. But the main purpose,
Okay, sir.
now you are able to understand what is the main purpose, why you are using this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
and
I have
basically we are extending the port of
Yes, like in the normal environment, suppose we don't have a manageable environment, very small environment, we are working with the 70 people, 50 people. What people are doing? Within the switch, manageable switch, they are connecting a hub. And hub, they have multiple port. Am I right? But this is not like the hub. Through this switch, through the hub, they have increased the port. Got it? But here, it's not like the hub. It will not broadcast, but I can increase my port.
So I have a
Clear now?
question, sir, here.
Yes, go ahead.
That's correct. What you were saying, like the 9K extending the port, we are using the 2K. So how the connection will be and what are the configuration on there? Like it will be the normal trunk port configuration or separate
First you
some.
need to do the port channel. Okay. First,
Okay.
this side we do the port channel, but some basic specific configuration we need to do. First, I need to tell the what is the fax number. Which fax number you will put here? Suppose I am putting 100. Then once you will come into the 9K, because I cannot log in into the 2000. I will log in into the 9K. Then if
No,
you
I know
do
that. I configured the 2K also, but connection, like the design perspective, I don't know, like how the connection will be. I
that I
log
will
into the 9K and configure the 2K switches, but I don't know exactly the how the.
that I will let you know when I'll do this lab exactly through the PO I will do. And in the 9K, I will put a fax fabric command.
Okay. Yeah.
Switch port mod fax fabric. First interface, whatever is your interface one by one. Okay. Before that I will declare what is the fax number. Then there is a command switch port mod fax fabric. Okay. Then this interface, I need to call this interface under a fax. Which fax I have declared? Fax 100. So that in this, suppose this is the one link, interface 1.1 by 1. It is 1 by 1. In this 1 by 1, when we log into the switch 9K, through this you can see through the fax, it is my 100. Then you will see the port number. Through this is the fax.
Yeah.
Clear now?
That I know.
Okay.
And I have another question. Like, is there any limit how many 2K we can connect?
Yes, there is a limit. There is limit depending on the model. Sometimes it will be 22, sometimes 16, 4. It will be depending on the models. Everything I will let you know once I will do the 9K part. It's the just basic 2K I am giving.
Whenever we are connecting the 9K, every 2K has to connect to the direct 9K or 2K also we can extend?
No, 2K, through 2K I cannot extend. I need to connect not only 9K, 7K, 5K.
No, got it. Like direct we have to put whatever the
direct you have
if
to
you
put
want to
either
put 4 switches or 5 switches, you have to put directly. No need the extension of the port.
No. There you can just let me show you. This is a normal switch. 2K is very similar to a very normal, like it's means it's very look like to the normal catalyst switch. Here port will be there. Okay. Port will be there.
Yeah, got it. The
Here
2K is the no brand. They have no brand. Yeah, I forget.
Here for uplink is there. Through this uplink I can connect. I cannot use these ports. Only 4 ports are there here for your uplink.
Got it.
I can use this one. But here to here again I cannot extend because it cannot understand. If I will connect from this 2K to it cannot understand.
Got it. Like
Yeah, no?
2K is no brand. Yeah.
No,
I
it
understand.
does not have any brand. So this
Yeah.
is the reason for the iOS upgrade. It will take around 8 minutes from him, and your satellite discovery process, your protocol is going there for all the discovery process, whatever I have explained. Okay,
I joined a
guys.
little bit late today, so maybe don't know.
Okay, okay. Means for this discovery process, just there is a discovery process. When you will log in into this, means connect this switch, it will go through a discovery process. It will upgrade the image. These are the very
Okay.
basic interview question you will get. You don't need to do anything. You will connect the text fabric. It's done. From your end, you will be done.
Okay.
But what is the internal process? Like STP, what you are doing in the STP? Anything you are doing?
No.
But you are not doing anything. But if anyone will ask you, what is the selection process of the root port? What is the selection process of the root bridge? But you need to tell.
Got it.
What is the least cost? What is the receiver send ID? What is the sender port ID? Everything you need to tell him. But same thing, but we are not doing anything on the STP. It's automatic. Same thing. Here also it will be the automatic, but you need to tell. If anyone will ask, what is the discovery process for there? What is the protocol working there? So then that time you need to tell the process, discovery process is there, satellite discovery process. Just go through the video once you'll get time. Explain completely.
Sure.
Okay. Satellite discovery process is there. So, and the satellite registration protocol is working there for the registration part. And upgrade, it will take around 8 minutes. After that, it will come with the associate with the 9K. You need to put the command. This is the basic process to attach a 2K with the 9K or the 7K or the 5K. Okay. So guys, you are comfortable with the basic switching command? Basic command?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the difference between these two? Any idea? Whatever you know, you can tell, because we are new to this one. So tell, what is the basic difference of the NX-OS iOS?
The number of images in the NX, we have kickstart image, bootstrap image. Where in iOS we have one system image.
It's system image, and everything will be uploaded in your bin file. Am I right?
Yeah.
And here it is scattered. It's not yet. If you core OS, if you'll go to your core OS, is every command is associated with the core OS? Yes or no? Is every command is like your iOS? Everything is on the bin file. But here, anyone enter into this NX-OS before?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. If you have configured the NX-OS basic configuration, so what you need to do? What we need to do? Let me tell. On the core OS, these are the very basic question. In the core OS, what are the things already associated? For this switch, I don't need to pay anything. Here VLAN capabilities. For this, these are the only things associated with the core OS. I don't need to pay anything. Then your port, maybe access, maybe trunk.
Yes.
And one more thing, 3 things are associated with the core OS. One more thing, anyone can tell?
Port channel.
Yes. What is that? Which mod?
LSCP.
No. LSCP I need to enable. Mode on, it will be. Everyone is clear about what is the mode on?
Yeah, static binding.
Yes, it's the static. In the CCNP, we have the static and dynamic.
Yeah.
What is the dynamic?
LSCP. Oh, STPO, you are asking about port channel.
Port channel.
LSCP, PAGP. Only
Okay.
LSCP is there.
Yes, here only LSCP is there. No PAGP. But this is not by default it is attached. I will show you. By default, it is not attached. By default, only mode on is there. Everything, whatever I need to enable, I need to use a command.
Feature command. Feature.
And guys, this is not free. It's not free. I need to pay for this. We should have proper what?
We should have proper license for that,
Yes,
right?
I should have proper license. I cannot run without license. If I will run without license, it will not function properly. Okay. So for that, what I need to do, I need to pay to the Cisco for the licensing part. These are the very basic thing you need to know. For the license part, I need to pay whatever the feature I require. I need to pay for this license. Okay. Now one question for the, suppose I have a Cisco Catalyst switch, bare one switch, very new switch. Suppose I am means power on this switch. One pop-up you will able to see. What is that pop-up? Are you able to see like this? Anyone work on the new bare one switch? Would you
like to with the
would you like to enter this type into initial configuration dialog? I am putting no. They will ask you yes or no. My answer is no. Now, which mode they will come? After this, if you will put no, which prompt it will show? Very basic. It's the normal iOS. Which prompt it will show? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
user mode.
User exit mode. Yes. This mode.
Yes.
But when we will do the Nexus on, okay, whenever I will, meanwhile, let me start my Nexus. Just a minute. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Just a minute. Let me start this one, then we'll continue with 192 system. Okay, leave it. It will take around 5-10 minutes. Now, once you will start into the Nexus, it will not show you like this. It will not ask you directly, would you enter into the initial configuration dialog? You need to put yes or no. No, it's not like that. Anyone have start the new, means complete new, brand new switch NX-OS? Anyone configure the basic configuration? So what you are able to see there?
Configuration mode.
No. By default,
It will ask you to-
already one account is created. Admin. If you have power on the new switch, it will not directly ask you to, or it will not take you to any mode.
No.
By default, an admin account is created. You need to put the password for this. For this admin account, once you will put the password, it will ask you first time put the password, then it will ask you to reconfirm this password. Guys, those who are already working in the NX-OS, for them it's good. No need to worry about that part. But those who did not work, and right now, even if you are not working on the DC part, So just try to concentrate. This question they will ask why they are asking this question, just to check. Because right now a lot of fake people are in the market. If you'll show their resume, if you'll show their LinkedIn profile, directly they will 10 years of experience in the DC, 10 years experience on the ACI. So just to check, we need to ask them, what are the prompt you are able to see? Okay. So very beginning, it will ask for the admin account, then it will reconfirm for the password. Once you will reconfirm, then it will give us a prompt to ask, please put the username, please put the password.
Hey, the username you are saying the admin account will be there. Like, do you have any password?
No, password you need
by
to
default
create.
password for this? Okay, there is no default password on that.
9K, what we need to do, we need to put a password. Let me see whether it is coming up or not. Actually, in Nexus, it's a very huge switch, so it will take time. Okay, no worry. I need to put a password. Okay. Once I will create my password. Before that, maybe they will ask you are able to see any kind of prompt to disable the password strength check. Very simple, very basic question. Yes, it is asking for if you want to disable the strength check, but it is very, within 1 minute, it will show you the prompt, then it will come into this one. Now, if you will not put here no, then minimum there is, I think, 8 character you need to put, uppercase, lowercase, like this. Okay.
Yes.
So it's better there directly you can put the no. If you are not able to put there no need to worry about that part. You can put a strong password here. And once I will enter into my Nexus, then I can use the no password strength check. There is a command, no password strength check I can put, so that after this, whatever will the admin, suppose any username and password you will create, it will not check for the password. It will just give you a prompt that due to the password disable policy, you are putting the simple password. Okay. Let me see if this is on now.
But for 9K it doesn't ask, right? This strength.
It will ask. 9K it will ask.
Okay, but I have not faced this thing.
No, it will vary. You have within fraction of within 1 to 2 minutes the pop-up will be passed. You need to be very careful.
No. It when it boots, it only asks for admin, configure the admin username password.
No,
then
there is before that there is a password strength that it will ask. If it will you are not putting there, on the config mode you can change this one. No password strength check.
okay, when means it will automatically select.
It will automatically select the highest password. Password strength. Which one 8 character or your capital, your any special character. It will automatically select. This is the reason I want to show you here. It is immediately a pop-up will be up and then it's down. Okay. Now, okay. Let me go to the next part. Very simple question. How we are putting the host name on the iOS? Simple command today we will do. iOS, how I can use the host command. If I want to push the host name, what is the command for that? Simple
Host
one,
name.
guys. Directly
Host name.
Host
Yes.
name, director, the name of the device.
Suppose I want to put that host name NX1. Here in the Nexus, just a minute. And from the next class, I will start this switch before the class because it will take a lot of time. But why I have not started, I just want to show you something about the basic scratch. From the scratch, what it will ask. This is the reason I have not started this switch today. It will ask right now. Just wait. Those who did not enter into the 9K, please see carefully. You can see. I put no. If immediately will not put no, what it will do, it will come into this one. Then you need to do the whatever is your password policy, like 8 characters, small one, capital one, your special character you need to put. Now, what it is asking?
Okay, this is to configure the admin password only.
Yes. Now again, what is asking?
Reconfirm the password.
Confirm, okay.
Would you like, now it will ask for the, would you like to enter into the basic initial configuration dialog like the iOS? Now wait, what it is asking?
Login password.
Admin.
You have to admin.
Admin. Now you can see you are in the switch. There is another command is also there. Okay. Suppose right now I am using another one. Username ABC. Password ABC. Okay. Then I need to align him a role. Okay. Network admin. Or network operator. Anyone, any idea about these two command?
Yeah, privilege.
No.
It's very limited. Network
Yeah.
operator. If you want to do everything, if you want to do the whole configuration, you need to put the role as the, let me show you.
15 and 7. Like,
You are able to see role. Network operator, you are able to see admin. I will put an admin. Now what it is, you are able to see this prompt. Every prompt, this is the basic scratch. Means suppose in the BGP configuration, in the OSPF, in the MPBGP, VXLAN, you don't need to remember all the configuration. No, it's not needed. But here, the basic command, please try to remember what are the pop you are saying. Because why repeatedly I am asking, just to check whether you have actually seen the 9K or not. So what it is, the pop-up is, why it is saying, I did something here.
You run the command, the password.
Yes, I did the run the command. Yes,
right.
please do not check the password strength policy. Whatever is the policy on the 9K, please pass that one. This is the reason you are able to see this one. And it is taking a very easy password. Now, if you will see, it will show you in the enable 5 mode. Okay. Now, one more thing. Okay, let me show you the whatever I told you. Host name. Suppose I am putting NX-01. There is another command is also there. If you want to change the host name in the Nexus, I have another command is there. Switch name. Two command. One is the host name like iOS. Another one is the switch name. Okay. Now, suppose I want to show the SIR running configuration or SIR running anything, SIR command in the iOS, where you are able to see this one.
This
On which mode?
privilege.
Okay. Here you can see SIR run. I can see here.
Yeah.
Configuration mode as well.
You are able to see. Anywhere I can put my SIR run command. SIR command anywhere. It's not only SIR run. Any SIR command you can put it anywhere. There is no rule for that. But in the iOS, it's different.
In iOS, there is a user mode, then privilege mode. Here,
Yes.
it's starting from privilege mode itself.
No,
Like
there
that.
is mode. It is starting from the privilege mode.
Yeah.
Okay, because I have already passed that one. Now, one more thing. In this, suppose I want to see the interface what are my interface, what is the IP configured, what is my status, what is the command in iOS. Just I am relating with the iOS, basic CCNA. What is the
So
No,
command?
all iOS you have to
description.
put IP.
Show
Here you
IP.
don't need to put IP. You have to
Show
put
IP.
direct
IP
command.
interface brief.
Here
This
we
is
can.
for the iOS.
iOS.
And what is this? In the NX-OS,
So
if I will
interface.
no, hold a minute. In the NX-OS, if I will put this command, then it will work or not?
Yes.
It will not work, I think.
It will show the default. It will default only, default VRF.
Yes. For this, actually in the Nexus, if you will put the show interface brief, what it will show?
It will show the status of the port.
Status of the port, but it will not show any IP port.
Yeah. Then show IP interface brief.
For show IP interface brief, if you want to see the show IP INT brief, then that time it will show you the IP configured port.
Yes.
Let me show you. It's not, it will work, but for the different purpose. You are able to see show interface brief.
Yeah.
What you are able to see?
Status.
What is this?
Routed.
By default, in the switch, it's depend on the module also. It's depend on the switch. It
So-
will, yes.
So
Go ahead.
9300, like it is in the access mode.
Yes. Yes. Here also 9K. I will use the alt iOS. Then you can see there it is an access mode.
Okay.
But here it is in the routed in the L3. Okay. Now one more command. So IP INT brief. What you are able to see here? Whatever is the IP interface, that command will be show through this one. So IP INT brief. And one command, try to remember, another command is there. So IP INT brief.
VRF all.
VRF also.
There, whatever is the VRF, it is configured under the IP, sorry, under the interface, you will see all this command. So IP INT VRF all. Now in the in the iOS, if I want to do a configuration. For an example, from interface GI1/0/1 to 5. GI1/0/5. At one shot, command is same. So what I can put to do all in at one shot?
Range.
Okay. This command, config T, interface, range.
/1 to 5. 1/1 to 5. Like
Okay. Okay, 5. No problem. What you are able to see here?
It's not required. You can directly configure.
Interface Ethernet 1/1 to 5. This one is
Range is not required, I think.
range not required.
Range is not required. On this one, in the Nexus OS, the range is not required. Directly we can put this one. Okay. And what are the in the iOS? Suppose in the any iOS, what is the routing table? Means what is the default routing table? How many default routing table is there?
1.
And here?
2.
What you are able to see here? This is for which purpose? Actually,
for management.
Yes. One is for the data, that is the default one in the NX-OS. Data. One is another VRF, that is for your management. That is for default or global. You can see. Okay. Now this one is the management interface. If you want to see the run interface MGMT0, what you are able to see? By default, this management interface is under the VRF management. When we will do the VPC, I need to configure this port. I have two ways to configure the VPC. One of them is I can take the access from the management port. Then that time I need to configure this for the management port. By default, this management port is under the VRF. Till now, it's clear? Any
Yes.
doubt, any other? Just those who are new to the DC, any doubt? I can see some people are all to DC, they have already worked, but those who are new to the DC don't know about this part, please ask repeatedly. These are the basic command and you need to remember. Again, I am
I
telling.
just wanted to know something here. Like I can see the VR, both VRF is up. So by default, both VRF is up, or we need to do that, bring it up.
No, we don't need to do anything. We don't need to do anything. By default, this is one. If we want to create through the VRF context, I can create another VRF. This is the by default.
No, I know this is by default. I'm talking about the status. The status is showing up, right?
Yes.
So by default, it is status is up only.
By default up. By default. We don't need to do anything. It's in front of you. I did not do anything on this one. Whatever I am saying, this is everything is by default. From tomorrow, I will do some changes. But today, everything is by default. Okay.
Okay.
Now, one thing. For this, if I want to create a command here, VLAN 10, I want to create the VLAN 10. Should I need the feature command or it will work properly? I think before 30 minutes ago, I told you.
VLAN, no need to enable the feature.
Yes, because it's by default, this VLAN capabilities OH on your core OS. Okay. Suppose I am putting here VLAN 10 I am here. Okay. Now, what about suppose I am putting it's not working. Why?
It's required a feature because it's we are creating the L3 VLAN.
Which yes. Can anyone tell me those who are working? What is the feature name for this one?
Interface VLAN.
Interface VLAN.
Feature interface VLAN.
Now it is working. Same thing about the OSPF. If you will directly work on the put the OSPF, it will not work.
So there is a one more command, feature set.
Yes, that is the setup group.
Yep.
It's the single that is the setup group. Like this in the switch mode also. One command is switch, one mode is the switch mode. I can use the 40G, 42G. Okay. Now,
so can you little bit explain about the feature set? Like you said, the group, right? What is exactly? Feature set.
You can do the any means feature set, complete feature set you can put.
I think its feature set is coming with the license which we have purchased.
Yes. Feature set is coming with everything is licensed. You can see this one I am getting an error. But I can, whatever is the lab required, I can do. But if I will do this one more than 120 days, it will not work. I need to restart again. Everything, whatever is the command I will do, then everything will need a license. These things, I think 90 days or 120 days I can run. After this, I cannot run.
120 days.
Yes, I need to means rebuild again. But for your best, there will be no issue. It's enough. Okay.
Sir, creating VLAN is also a required license, sir?
No. Normal VLAN you can do. This is on the core OS. Your VLAN capability is already added. Your port is already added. Either access or trunk or one Ether channel. That is the modern, not only not LSCP. The modern is by default enabled with the core OS. Everything, whatever you want to do, that will be through the feature command.
And whenever you're talking about the license part, it will be coming under the bundle license, right? No, it will be not coming in the particular feature set command.
No, it will come with your feature. Whatever is the feature, then that time you need to check with your vendor. Whatever the vendor you are taking from which vendor, you need to check with what is your requirement on this. If you will not go for the BGP, it will not work. Multiple license at a time you need to carry. But whenever you are using 9K, most of the 99% license you are using, because you are using a very huge end device. Why you are using the 9500? Everything I need to configure here. VXLAN I need to configure here, EVPN I need to configure here, routing I need to do here. So you are investing so much money on the hardware, means you need to carry the license.
No, in the traditional switches, like there is some essential and some.
This is the essential and advantage in the
Here
traditional.
also the same thing here.
Essential, no. Essential, advantage. Here you can see you are putting the DNA license is there, maybe 36 or 60. If you have create any bomb, you have seen this one, bill of material from the Cisco side. Advantage also this one. Here it is different. You need to add what are the things you need to, means for the BGP I need, OSPF I need, everything I need to go through the license part. License I need to know. Any means in the 9800 WLC, if you have worked on the bomb part, bill of material, same things you need to do. Whatever the license I need to do. If you will not carry 120 days, it will work.
So, sir, simple we can say pay as use.
You need to pay. This is the reason I told NX-OS, the core OS, I don't need to pay. Extra things I need to pay.
Sir, we have to
Core we
pay
have
per
only
feature.
BH.
Sir.
What? Go ahead.
Sir, we have to pay per feature or group of feature.
For the feature, complete feature, you have to pay.
Like you want to only use BGP, that we have to only pay for BGP or for all routing
But
protocol.
if you want to pay for the VGP, on that condition, why we are using the VGP here? I need to do the EVPN. So for that, whatever the protocol you require, you need to pay for everyone. So bundle up license, you need to carry. It's not all the license. It's not like the iOS.
Like you are saying, it will be customizable.
Customizable. It's not like that. Today I need VGP, I will go for one. Today I need this one, I will go for one. Customizable. Whenever any your architecture who is doing this part pump, it should be very clear understanding what is the feature required, what thing I need to carry here. Then one thing also you need to carry, whether it will be a 24/7 or you can do the business support service, you need to take again from the Cisco.
Yeah, that is for the support part. So that is different. Yeah.
If you have a different vendor, then you don't need to take the service from the Cisco directly. You will go to your third party will pay. This is the process actually in the company. Okay, now VLAN party. For VLAN, someone asked for the VLAN, I need to put the feature or not. We don't need to put the feature. Okay, one more thing just I want to tell you. This is the last. Here a keyword is there that is known as the alias. Anyone idea about the alias?
It is nothing but description, I think.
Means only the description. This one you are telling.
No,
Interface.
it's an abbreviation for a particular command. Like
Yes.
write command doesn't have by default. So we can make aliases for copy run to write, a copy run to startup to WR. So
Okay.
with WR, we can write the configurations.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. So let me tell this one. Suppose in the iOS switch, I want to save a configuration. What is the command?
WR, write memory.
Copy running.
Yes, copy running configuration, startup configuration is there. Copy running to start. But here you need to put the copy running configuration, startup configuration. Okay. Now I want to create an alias. It's a too big name. Okay. It's a too big name. I want to suppose for this command, I want to use the write command. I can do that for one. How I can use? I have gone into the config mode.
Alias. Okay.
This is the alias. I need to put the alias name. What alias name I need to put for this one? Suppose I want to put WR. For which command I need to put the WR?
Copy running to startup.
Before that, what was the issue with the write? It was not working. Now through this alias command, Okay. Through this alias, I put a short name, right, instead of the long one. So that what very short command I can put here and it is started working. Suppose for the show IP route, you can use the SIR. This is for more about the exam part. If you want to save time in the exam, SIR, you need to put show IP route. Yes or no? Alias name you need to create. But on the first day, direct on the exam, if you will start to put the alias, then you cannot do anything. It's need a lot of practice, because every alias you need to remember the name. If you will forget what the alias name you have put, then it's gone. Okay. By default, which
That
feature
we-
is enabled? Yes.
That we still can see, right, in RAM?
Yes, yes.
And even alias also we create, you can run the full command also,
You
right?
can see.
Yeah.
Copy. Running configuration. Startup configuration. So, sorry. You can see. Suppose I put one CLI config team. Let's put one more one. Let me copy that one. Where is that one I have put? Okay. Suppose I am putting SIR. For which one? What is the so I think it. But I am not saving this one. So where you will able to see this one? Right now, when I put this so startup configuration, I did a write. But right now, on who is you can see this one?
Running
configuration.
You can see. Now, okay, last question, guys. Anyone knows what is the by default feature? Only feature that is the by default it is enabled to one protocol.
Port
Let me
channel.
show you.
Show feature inclusive enable.
So SCA, so I think I have written the feature. What is the by default it is enabled? Which one?
SSH.
Only feature that is by default enabled, only protocol that is the SSH. Got it, guys? Any doubt till now? You can see someone asked for the redundancy part.
Yes, I have asked this one.
Yes, redundancy part, and one you can see this one also. So module, you need to see what is the status. What is my status? It's the virtual. I don't have so much module, so much things. I don't have the fan, everything. But if you want to see hardware is down, anything, any error is there, whether it is pass or not, through the some module, you can see this one. But redundancy, this one you can see.
Okay.
But I cannot configure this. Whatever it will be, you will put first, it will be on, then that will be your active on. Okay, guys, till now, any doubt or you can let me know, else we'll wrap up this one. And next, I will do one more thing. If anyone is know about this part, it's good. I have a checkpoint. Anyone knows about the checkpoint? Nexus checkpoint.
Yeah, snapshot.
What?
Snapshot of particular configurations.
Yes, that is more related to your migration time or your any kind of configuration under the production environment. This is the reason we are using the Nexus checkpoint. What is the checkpoint? Tomorrow I will describe this one, and then we'll go to the switching part. I'll start from the trunk. every command is almost, it will be same with your iOS, little bit different, but need to start from the beginning because some of the people are new, so we need to start from the beginning.
So checkpoint you means pre-checks.
No. Checkpoint means, suppose this is a catalyst switch, okay? This is suppose some configuration is there, okay?
Okay.
This is condition A. Now you are the network when you do something, then you are in the stage, okay? What you did? You did a right. You did the right because you are quite sure that it's good, right? After this, after the right, some of the feature means some of the application are not working. What is the rollback procedure?
So it's look like the rollback one you're talking about.
Yes.
Okay.
What is the rollback procedure on the iOS? Whatever in the migration you did, what the command, every time you need to do the no, then you need to reload the switch. Am I right?
Yeah, the rollback is there in the Juniper switches. We have to do rollback 1, 0, like that.
Yes. But in the Cisco iOS, every command you need to put if you did a right. But in the in the Nexus, I can directly go to this one. If I can put a checkpoint here and I did something which went wrong, then I can directly go to this checkpoint A. Before starting the migration, generally in the configuration time, we put a checkpoint, then we did some configuration. If it is not working, we will roll back to the checkpoint A. That is achieved through the checkpoint. I will show you tomorrow.
Sir, is it the feature or device?
Feature in device means it is a feature in
Means,
the Nexus.
no. Okay.
Nexus, it is a feature. It's not device, it's a feature.
No. Checkpoint. Actually, I was asking about checkpoint, sir.
No. Checkpoint. I'm not talking about the checkpoint firewall.
No.
It is checkpoint service here.
Okay.
It is a checkpoint. This service, the rollback service name is checkpoint. It's not the checkpoint firewall, not a hardware device.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay, guys. So tomorrow we'll do the checkpoint and then we'll enter into the trunking part.
Tomorrow or Wednesday?
Let me see. Who is from? They have updated you in suit because I'm not aware whether it is tomorrow or Wednesday.
No,
they told every day it will be, right?
No, it will be 3 days.
Okay. Not sure.
It will be 3 days. It's not every day. It will be 3 days. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, at the starting you made that diagram in the switch you wrote EOR. What does that stand for?
End-Pro switch. End-Pro. Like in the data center, which switch is connecting to your outside world, that is the End-Pro switch. Maybe you are using 9K, 5K, 7K. Most of the time it will be 9K.
It is end of row.
Yes.
Okay. That
One
is
is
you mean to say that is the connecting to outside to internet.
whatever is their internet link is connect, you can terminate there through which I can go to the outside. And one is top-up rack like the 2K.
Okay.
If you want, you can do the manageable switch, but no one is using top-up rack.
And for running the protocols, we need license also, no?
Yes, guys. We need the
in
license.
every series of Nexus or in some it is free?
Yes, Nexus. No. In the basic license is free. Like your VLAN, like your port configuration, like your Ether channel on model, these are free. By default, it will come. But
And
here,
for
I think some of the people are worried about that, whether we can do the lab or not. Lab we can do, guys. I have 120 days. 120 days is enough. Again, I can restore this one. No worry about this part. Only one thing issue means license issue, that is the MDS. Rest everything we have.
What is MDS?
It is the storage switch.
Storage, okay.
For this, no virtual. Till now, Cisco did not discover.
We don't have any hands on this, like in this tutorial.
To command, every command, what are the steps, what are the things, I can show you. Through the snap also I can show you, but we don't. For this, I will not give you a fake promise. MDS, no one can give you.
But Cisco also didn't have any
Virtual
virtual
no,
for
don't have.
that.
No. Virtual we don't have only for the MDS. Rest everything. This is for the storage purpose we are using.
But ACI we have all those things. Right?
ACI everything we have. ACI, NX-OS, UCS. This part mainly we need for this journey. Every command I will let you know. Everything I will let you know. What is the fabric
for
mode?
every day whatever we are teaching, and that's notes you are preparing for this for us, or how it will be?
No guys, whenever I will go to these things, I will provide you, okay, on the same class, on the notepad I will provide you. But for the big lab, okay, I will provide you after this class. But this small command, I will provide you at same time. At same time, I will prepare a notepad. This is the first time you are seeing I have shown you in the switches. Never, if you have seen my other classes, I will not use the router directly. I will use the notepad. And you can also start practicing on the notepad. Every command, if you are doing on the CCNP NRC, CCNP NCore, you need to put the notepad.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Same notepad I will provide you.
Sir, my name is Harshit.
Who is this?
Today is my first class.
Oh, you missed the other two, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
The previous other two also I have not taken more fully.
Okay. Who told? Prashant?
Prashant, yeah.
Okay.
I joined the second class. First
Prashant,
class I was not.
Prashant, you are from Odisha?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, okay, no problem. We'll do it. On the extra time, we'll do it.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, where will you get password sheet, sir? It will update it on
Password sheet?
like you told, you will share a command actually, sir.
Yes, command we will share. And one more thing, after the class, whatever is the theoretical question you will get, we will provide you a file. These things I can provide you, and the lab diagram. These things we will provide you.
Okay,
and
sir.
the lab access. Okay. So guys, any other doubt? Prashant, where are you from? Odisha? From which place?
Jajpur.
Jajpur, okay.
You are from Odisha also?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Okay, guys. So I think we can close this class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
I have a small request. If we
Harshit?
are
This is Harshit?
Devasish here.
Okay.
So if we are doing 1 hour session, 3 days, so I don't think I think it might take a long time. So either we can do 4 days or some 5, or we can increase 1 hour to 1.5 hours, something like that.
Yes, it's almost, you can see, it's 10:52 in my clock, means it will be around 10:55 right now. So the class will be around 10:45, sometimes it will be 11. Okay. And when it will be required, okay, this is the very beginning, I am going very slow. Once after 1 to 2 weeks, we'll go in a rapid mode. Okay, we need to do. So that time I can give you 90 minutes. If required, we will provide the 4 hours a day. Sorry, 4 hours a week. So we need to proceed as per the situation. As per starting, we need to go for the 3 days.
All right.
Okay. Okay, guys. Then I think you can close this one.
The next class on the Wednesday?
Just check with your counselor.
Okay.
Yes, they will update you. If it will be tomorrow, I will do. If it will be Wednesday, but 3 days. As of now, it will be 3 days. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Good night.
Good night.
Yes, sir.
Bye.